Let's assemble your new Veloretti Junior bike. Carefully unbox the bike and check for any damage. The main box contains your additional accessories and a toolkit for the assembly. For this assembly, you'll also need wrench 15 out of your own toolbox. Each pedal has a designated side. The left pedal has little stripes on the middle, and the right pedal is flat. Install the left pedal with the stripes in a 90-degree angle to the crank by turning it counterclockwise with your hand. Install the right pedal, which is flat, on the right side of the crank by turning it clockwise with your hand. Once the pedals are straight and twisted onto the crank, firmly secure them with the wrench 15. First, remove the black protection cap. Install the handlebar and set it to your preferred height. The safety marking should always be inside the frame and not visible. Use Allen key 6 to tighten the bolt firmly. To loosen the bolt on the front of the handlebar stem, use Allen key 6 once more. You can now adjust the angle, retighten it firmly, and check if it's secure. Lastly, add the protection cap. Loosen the bolt on the side with Allen key 5. When adjusting the saddle, make sure the safety markings aren't visible and they're always inside the frame. Now adjust the saddle to the rider's hip height while standing next to their bike. You can now tighten the bolt using Allen key 5. Remove the black valve cap and pump until the desired tire pressure is reached. Place the cap back on, then repeat this for the second tire. Now the bike is ready to hit the road. Have fun and let us know if you need any help.